Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Celo wallet, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Celo wallet, first, download the Celo wallet app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it on your device. You will be greeted with a welcome screen that provides an overview of the wallet's features. Tap on the Get Started button to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. If you're creating a new wallet, select the option to create a new wallet. The app will then generate a recovery phrase for you. It's crucial to write down this recovery phrase and store it in a safe place. Do not share this phrase with anyone, as it is your key to accessing the wallet. After writing down the recovery phrase, tap on Continue. You will be asked to verify your recovery phrase by selecting the correct words in order. Once confirmed, you can set a new password for your wallet. Make sure to choose a strong password that you can remember. After setting your password, you will reach the main dashboard of the wallet. Here, you can view your account balance and access various features. To add a Celo account, tap on the plus icon located at the bottom of the screen. You can now send and receive cryptocurrencies by sharing your wallet address. To ensure your wallet is secure, consider enabling biometric authentication if your device supports it. Now your Celo wallet is activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.